Hey, this is Doug with Aytwit Engineering, and I'm going to be showing you a handy way to store important documents using a basement bulkhead entryway. So if I cut to a clip right here, this is the outside, what it looks like from the outside, if you're not familiar. And then behind me, you see this door. This is the entryway from the inside. So let me pick up the camera here real quick. I'm going to be showing you what's up. This is, of course, my basement. Pan around, beautiful basement. We walk over here to the doorway, and the gist of this is pretty simple. Basically, just you go get some bins from Goodwill, $2 or $3 each. Good quality plastic bins that are somewhat airtight, and you just load it full of all your important stuff: photos, tax documents, insurance papers, medical stuff, whatever the case may be. Let me walk back over here. So a few details to this. Well, some background first. I of course looked for fire safes, like official fire safes that I could put somewhere. But it's pretty scant out there unless you're willing to pay hundreds of dollars, and even then it doesn't seem like there's much of a guarantee that if there's an actual fire, the fire safe will do anything. I watched some demo videos where people bought some of the popular fire safes on Amazon and such, and yeah, it didn't look too good. Didn't look like something I'd want to trust with important documents. Never mind the fact that you can see how much I have over there. I mean, lots of photos, lots of kids' artwork, even my artwork from when I was a kid. I mean, stuff that's not really intrinsically valuable, but sentimental value or just personal financial value. I mean, my rule of thumb is if somebody was to break in here, I wouldn't really care, or they wouldn't really care. I wouldn't really care, right? But nonetheless, the bulkhead doors are locked from the outside. So yeah, I guess if you really wanted to, it'd be pretty easy to get in, but again, nothing valuable in there, so steal away. So my logic, one other thing. Yeah, I bought some of these. These are, I don't know, these are on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Again, very dubious whether these would actually stop a fire. They're like Kevlar or something. So I bought two of these. I do have some important documents inside these, inside the Tupperware bins, just as like two layers of insurance. Actually, the third layer of insurance is that this is a very thick fireproof door, so that's good, or fire resistant door. So that would help too. So you have a few layers of insurance here, versus storing this in your attic or wherever. I mean, the bulkhead is probably the safest place in my house personally. I figure if the house burns down completely, it's all going to just collapse into the basement. It's just going to be a roaring inferno. And I'm hoping the doorway would just kind of provide a buffer zone. The doorway plus the bins plus the these little fireproof bags, so-called fireproof bags, would form a good insurance layer. So I think that's about it. Pretty simple idea. Let me know if you have any similar ideas like that. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.